In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, knowing how to add hyperlinks to your content is an essential skill that can greatly enhance your reader's experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the sidebar on the left. Here you'll want to find and click on the Gutenberg editor. This is WordPress's block-based editor, and it's a fantastic tool for creating visually dynamic content. Next, choose the post or page you want to work on. It's as simple as clicking on it, and it will open up in the editor. Now let's move on to the crucial part of our tutorial, adding that all-important link. Scroll through your content and find the specific text you want to transform into a clickable link. It might be a word or a phrase that enhances the context of your article, or it might direct your readers to a related piece of content. Whatever it is, simply highlight it by clicking and dragging over the text. Once your text is highlighted, take a look at the toolbar that appears just above it. You should see a little chain icon, which is your link tool. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a small dialog box where you can enter the URL. Make sure you have the correct link copied or handy, as you'll need to paste it here. Double check that your link starts with HTTP or HTTPS to ensure it's formatted correctly for the web. After pasting your URL into the field, all you need to do is press enter on your keyboard or click the apply button right next to the input field. And just like that, your text has now become a hyperlink. It's a straightforward step, but quite powerful in enhancing the connectivity and usability of your website. Before we wrap this up, there's one final essential step. You've added your link, but it won't save automatically. Head over to the upper right corner of your screen and choose either Update if you're changing an existing post, or Publish if you're working on something new. Doing so ensures that all your hard work is saved and your changes are live or ready for your audience to see. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully linked text within a WordPress post or page. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different types of links and placements to see what works best for your site. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.